Previously, I made a hose reel with a spare RX-8 wheel. I want to do it again, but better. At Home Depot, I picked up some anchors for masonry, 2 pipe flanges, and a 1" by 8" decor pipe. Also, I'll need 5 bolts and lug nuts for the wheel. I used these same ones last time. Last time I used a wheel spacer to help make me a wood adapter. I still have it. I have a spare RX-8 wheel again. Got it out of the tire. 1 flange is screwed to the adapter. The other flange mounts to the house. The pipe unites the 2 flanges. Bolts are ready and in place. The wheel is bolted to the adapter. The wheel is kind of rough, but it's what I had laying around. Recap: anchors, flanges, pipe, lug nuts, and bolts. Mount flange to adapter, mount flange to house. Join flanges with pipe. Secure wheel to adapter. Put garden hose on wheel. A real hose reel.